Today we will be making this T pipe using SolidWorks. So let's go part, sketch, and then select the plane. Go to sketch with center line for reference and defining everything else around it. So let's go. Now we will select line and sketch the outer profile of our pipe. Okay, let's go. Make the outer profile of our pipe. Okay, it is done now. I think so. Okay, done. Our outer profile is ready. Now we need to define it. We'll use the smart dimensioning feature and define everything. And the center line that we drew is, and we will draw one more center line to like align everything perfectly. As you can see, these two are not aligned perfectly, so we will use the collinear feature and make them collinear. Okay, done. Now we will define everything else using the smart dimensioning feature. Okay, okay. As the diameter is of 25 mm, the radius is going to be of 25 by 2. That's why we did the calculation there. And this is going to be 2.5. Okay, done. Okay, we will add one more center line and to make this symmetric, select the extreme ends and select the center line and use the make symmetric feature to make it symmetric. Okay, as you can see, it is almost ready. We just need to define the edge, that is of 2.5, and similarly on the other side also 2.5, and similarly on the other side it is 2.5. Okay, now this has been done. Now we will use the Revolve Boss feature. Okay, done. So now it has been done. Now we select the top plane and add the reference geometry as plane. The reference geometry is going to be of 25 minus 2.5 mm above our top plane. Okay, done. Now we will go to sketch and sketch our T. Okay, done. Now we will give them dimensioning of these two circles, that is 15 and 25. And to like we can just go make them tangent. Okay, done. 20. Okay, these are tangent. Now we will go to extrude and up to next. Okay, as you can see, our base is almost ready. We just need to add the edge. Okay, go to sketch and select the top plane. Let's go. We will make two circles symmetric at the center. Okay, 15 and 20 respectively. Now it is 25 and 15. Okay, done. And extrude it to 2.5 mm. Done. Our base is ready now. Let's just hide this plane. Okay, our base is almost ready. We just need to add the fillets, and before that we need to make the hole. So for that we will just make one circle, define it, and we'll go to extrude cut and up to next. Similar thing that we have did for extrude, we used it for extrude cut. Okay, now it is ready. We just need to add the fillet here at every corner. As you can see in the sketch, it is of 1 mm radius fillet. Okay, 1 mm. Okay, done. It is internal also, so 1 mm internally. Okay, sketch 1 mm fillet, done. Okay, it is ready. Okay, I think so I left it here. Okay, add the fillet similarly here of 1 mm. Done. Okay, it is done now. If you want to know how added colors to it, you can just comment color and I will help you with this. Okay, bye, thank you.